अजीब तो लगा और हंसी भी आ रही थी। भाई हमारी अभी उधर उम्र तो नहीं है ना खेलने की।
41%. That is how much of their potential a child born in Pakistan will reach by the time they grow up. Not because of what they lack inside, because of what the first 5 years never gave them. By the age of 5, almost the entire brain is already formed. In the villages of rural Sindh, those years pass quietly. No toys, no play, and no one who ever showed the parents how.
ॿार जी परवरिश पेट खां ई शुरू थिए थी भाॼी। पेट में जेको खाईंदासीं उहो ॿार ताईं पुॼे थो। ॿार जीअं पैदा थिए थो उनजी मुस्तक़बिल परवरिश करणी आहे। असांखे छा खाधो पीतो उनखे खाराइणो आहे।
But what if you could change a child's future without ever teaching the child? What if you taught the village instead? This is a play lab. It is not a playground and it is not a school. It is the first idea of its kind in Pakistan. Here, the parents are the students. For 8 weeks, mothers, fathers, and grandparents come together to learn one thing: how to play with their own children. Because play is not the opposite of learning. In the early years, it is how a child learns to speak, to solve, and to feel. Nothing here has to be bought. The toys are made from cardboard, clay, and string. And the woman leading the room is not an expert from the city. She is one of their own.
मेरा नाम खानजादी है। मैं पहले लीडर हूँ। मैं यहाँ वालिदैन को और बच्चों को खेलना सिखाती हूँ।
It began with a single play lab. Today, there are 9. Every play lab starts with one question the community has to answer together. What do we want for our children? Then they build the answer with their own hands. They clean the room, they paint the walls, they make the toys.
पूरे सब वालिदैन ने मिलकर, पूरे गांव वालों ने हमने मिलकर इसमें पेंट वगैरह किया था, इसमें इसको सजाया था, इसको डेकोरेट किया था।
For 8 weeks, the same 5 habits return again and again, until they stop being a lesson and become the way a parent simply is. Talk to the child, name the world, ask a question, wait, and let them try.
हमारी ट्रेनिंग हुई थी व्हाट्सएप पर, उसके बाद इन पर्सन हमारी ट्रेनिंग हुई थी। उसमें हमें पूरा ट्रेन किया गया था। उसमें डेमो बताए गए थे गेम्स के बारे में और सिखाया गया था, जिसमें हमें अलग अलग खेल बताए जाते हैं, सिखाए जाते हैं, जो हम वालिदैन को सिखाते हैं।
प्ले लैब का जो सफ़र था वो 8 हफ्तों का सफ़र था। इसमें तकरीबन हमारे जो सेक्शन हुए वो 50 से ऊपर हुए।
At the start, almost no one came, and the few men who did laughed.
पहले तो कम थे ना सर, 2, 4, 5, 8 थे, शायद 6 थे।
Then something turned.
तो जब इधर आए हमें पता चला कि नहीं भाई, हम माँ बाप हैं, हमारा फ़र्ज़ है अपने बच्चे के साथ टाइम देना, उससे मिलजुल कर एक दोस्ती, एक भाईचारे के हिसाब से।
The fathers who left at first light and came home with nothing left to give began to sit on the floor, to play, to be held by children who used to run from them. The change did not stay inside the room. It walked home with them. The cardboard a family once threw into the drain became a truck, a house, a hospital, built by hand.
कोई गत्ते का वैल्यू नहीं है। अभी तो ये मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जो हमारे गत्ते की डिमांड हो रही है।
Mothers who had never spoken in front of others found their voice. Hands were washed with soap, and children felt sick less often. The money once spent at the doctor stayed in the home.
1000 दिन तक 80% उसका दिमाग खुलता है, 5 साल तक उसका 90% खुलता है।
At the end of the 8 weeks, the whole village arrives. The Play Mela, a festival of play. The toys built from nothing are carried in like treasure. Mothers stand in front of everyone and show what they made. And the fathers, who once thought play was beneath them, now play in the open for all to see.
हमें क्या पता होगा कि इतना मेला लगेगा, इतना कोई सिस्टम होगा, इतने इवेंट्स आएगी, इतने बच्चों को अवेयरनेस मिलेगी।
तो मैंने खुद बनाया, कुछ और बनाऊंगा इससे भी बेहतर।
One play lab became 9. And the reason it can keep growing is simple. It is built to be left behind. The space remains, the toys remain, the play leader remains, and the habit remains long after the program is gone. The people here no longer call it a project. They call it theirs.
अभी 2 मंथ में इतनी चेंजिंग आई है, इतनी तब्दीली आई है जो मैंने कभी 10 साल में भी नहीं देखी।
यहाँ पे अपना एक वादा किया था, इस प्ले को, इस खेल को हम आगे भी जारी रखेंगे, इसको हम रोकेंगे नहीं।
Raise the village, raise a generation.